So you have this. So you merge this incongruity, you juxtapose them, and then out when it coheses and creates what we call something that's surrealistic, right? But then that surrealism might be absurdity, right? It may not be absurdity, it might be surreal. But what's fascinating about juxtaposition of incongruity is how there's always a compatibility, and this is a fascinating phenomenon. There's always a compatibility. You juxtapose them, you find a single common denominator they share. Like one example is, and here's an absurd example, the famous surrealistic comedian Mitch Hedberg. You know, he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's a juxtaposition of incongruity. And so you find that incongruity and juxtaposition far more pervasive and prevalent in the field of comedy. And Mitch Hedberg said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." The polarity here, not polarity, the contrast is toothpick and forest. You know, they're unrelated. But then you realize they're wood. So you found a commonality they share in common. Toothpick is wood, forest is wood. So they're home. You see? So this is how Mitch Hedberg, juxtaposition of incongruity and how it's surrealistic arises.